Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is my favorite addition to my outdoor supplies. I love to throw outdoor movie nights on my patio, and I want everyone to feel comfortable. This inflatable lounge chair from Nevife is wonderful. First, it inflates so easily. You can use a pump. I used a blow dryer to inflate it, and it also comes with an ottoman for optimum comfort. And speaking of comfort, it is so cozy. You can really lean back into it and get comfortable. It's firm without being too firm. And speaking of firm, this has been inflated for 6 days. It really has minimal air escape, so you don't have to worry about it deflating while you're using it. It's really perfect for any time you need additional outdoor seating. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.